When choosing panels for your exterior, interior, or laboratory project, your design is limited to the offering of colors, tints, and textures of the manufacturer. Unless, of course, you choose Individualdécor by Fundermax. Individualdécor panels are printed digitally from your designs, allowing you to create solutions that are completely, wonderfully unique. And like with all Fundermax products, Individualdécor panels are easy to install, highly durable, easy to clean, and are resistant to scratching and graffiti, moisture, UV and weather, and chemicals, making Individualdécor ideal for facades, wall cladding, balconies, wet areas, laboratories, and much more. Want to learn more? Visit us at www.fundermax.us and unleash your imagination with Individualdécor. Fundermax, more than a panel.